Hey Chi-Chis, it's Chelina Achol, the Sudani mommy. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine for my naturally curly 4C hair. First things first, I use a detangler to soften up my hair before I take out my braids. Using a detangler like this helps just moisten your hair more manageable, malleable. It's just easier to detangle and prevents less breakage when taking your braids out, so your hair is dry and brittle and prone to breakage. You can use just regular water too. I do love this Shea Moisture Minogo Honey detangler because it softens your hair a lot as you're taking the braids out. So now onto the shower. My 4C hair is really porous, so the cuticle is really open and it's really prone to breakage. Hence the reason I need more protein in my hair to help strengthen it. Incorporating protein in wash day routine is really important to help strengthen your natural hair and just to promote healthy hair growth. Redken has always been my favorite line. They have the All Soft, the Mega Soft, this extreme line that I love. My hair is fragile and fine. For me to promote more hair growth, I need to strengthen it and I need less tension to prevent breakage. This specific extreme line has amino acids such as arginine. I am the biochem baddie. And in my biochem class, we were just studying the different amino acids. Amino acids are just proteins, and this is a great one to help your hair grow. Other key ingredients are biotin, alpha B, vitamin. These help promote healthy hair growth. Arginine is also good for your hair. I found out that arginine has a vasodilating effect. The vasodilation enhances the blood flow in areas of the blood that lack oxygen and nutrients. So this kind of is like it helps promote blood flow, reduces blood pressure in certain areas. In this case, your scalp. Arginine also helps with releasing nitric acid, and that helps open up the potassium channels in your hair, thereby boosting the blood supply of hair follicles, which results in hair growth and healthy hair. It dilates the blood vessels, thereby ensuring proper blood supply to the scalp, and fortifies the hair follicles by providing nourishment to the root of the hair, thereby stimulating the hair growth and prevent hair loss. So protein just like strengthens your hair and prevents breakage. And use less tension in my hair as I'm doing it. Making sure my braids aren't too tight, combing gently, using a detangler to unravel my braids. All those things incorporate something like a satin pillowcase. All those methods help prevent less breakage in your hair because our hair is so fine and fragile. Contrary to popular belief, our hair is very, very fragile. So just going forward, I just apply the product, try and focus it on my roots of my hair, and I use my fingers, and after getting all my shampoo in it, I rinse it out, and then I go in with my conditioner, apply that in quadrants to help detangle my hair, and I use a simple brush to help detangle my hair, and holding my hair at the root and detangling the ends and then working my way to the root, being as gentle as possible and taking your time. This is a sped up video, so keep that in mind. I only detangle my hair when there's conditioner or product in my hair to provide more slip. It makes it a little easier. After that, I go in and rinse the product and add the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner, it says you only put it for like 3 to 5 minutes, and I leave that in for as long as it takes for me to wash my body or wash my face or brush my teeth or do whatever my hygiene routine is when I'm in the shower. It's important not to keep your detangler in your hair for long periods of time. Some people keep it in for like an hour or overnight. I remember even I used to do that back in the day. But leaving your hair in such a fragile state with all that water, you guessed it, is more prone to breakage. It's better to do this routine more often than doing it once in a blue moon and going as far as like leaving in a deep conditioner overnight or something, you know? But yeah, try and get into the habit of being able to wash and deep condition your hair regularly. Once a week is best. You can also do it with your hair still in braids. Your hair is like a plant. It needs water. It needs constant moisture. So make sure to take care of your scalp health and provide the water that your hair needs often. Even wearing wigs, and then you can be able to like take your braids down or wash your scalp over the week. Also, even if you have like braids or locks or anything in there, lifting your hair up and being able just to get your scalp and being able to wash that is important. I was telling my coworker about washing her scalp while she still had her twist in, and she was like, oh, I had no idea you could do that. Sometimes we get too lazy to do it. I'm guilty of that too. Here I'm going into prepping my hair for blow drying. Even this routine I've changed it a little bit. Now I add just like a pea-sized amount of leave-in conditioner in my hand and a heat protectant. I use the comb attachment on my blow dryer. I tried that Revlon blow dryer that everybody uses, but that doesn't really get to my roots as much as I would like. I like using this comb attachment and focusing on my root. I put it on the lowest setting and the lowest heat level. There is a little bit of heat in it, but it's really gentle. My hair is really fragile, like I said. If I use too high of a setting on the blow dryer, it ends up burning my hair to a crisp and then it's back dry again. Here I'm just going in the 4 different quadrants and blow drying my hair, working little by little. A little leave-in conditioner and some heat protectant, a water-based heat protectant. I've noticed that putting oil in my hair, it just makes it greasy and it like drips down my hair. To lock in the moisture, I do sometimes add a little bit of oil after I'm done, but not during the process. I'm going to be doing a ponytail on my hair, so this is just me prepping for that. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. That's pretty much how I manage my hair and prep it for a style. I'm going to be putting it in a ponytail afterwards, so stay tuned for that video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to the fam, and let me know what other content you'd like to see from me. And then, as always, thanks for watching. Bye.